to reset your switch to, first thing you need to do is to make sure to power off your switch. So press and hold the power button over here. And then go into power option and say power off. Wait a few seconds for it to power off. And then what you want to do is to press and hold the plus and minus volume button over here. Keep and hold it and power on the game console. Keep holding the plus and minus volume for a few seconds. Then you can release and wait to get this page. From here, you can update the systems. You can restore factory settings without deleting saved data. You can choose that if you have some trouble with the console and want to try to do a soft reset. It will erase a lot of things. You can actually read about it just right here. And if you want to resell your console, give it to someone else, erase all your data, this is what you want to do. Again, take the time to read what it does and just continue. Continue. And then you can factory restore everything. So select it. And wait for the console to restart. It will restart like a brand new one and you will have to redo all the settings. So it's ready to sell. The console will not go back on, so you will need to press the power button to wake it up. And there you go. You can do all the settings.